Well, good morning, guys. All right, so as you've seen, we just got the storage unit. That was actually yesterday, so this is the next day, but it's early Friday morning as I'm filming it. I'm about to head over. It's probably about a half hour, 40 minutes to the place I ordered the roof metal, because guys, we are beyond blessed with this community, being part of it and being involved with it. And you've seen us, we went and helped other people, and that's what we love to do. We like to help others and feed them well. Well, guys, it's getting returned, and we don't even know what to say or do, or other than just accept it. They're coming, and we've got a rough idea of who's going to be here, and we're just going to have to see who shows up, who doesn't. There might even be a few surprises we don't even know yet, but I need to get over and get the metal. So matter of fact, that's one of them calling now, so we'll see you guys. We made it. All steel metal roof. Let's drive through this here building and well, they make it. It's over here. Just tell you, I was already impressed on how fast they could get it done. I called on Wednesday, they had it ready by the next day, but I wasn't ready, so I'm gonna go find somebody to get this loaded. Probably have to speed this up because, well, they're playing music in your jams. We're gonna see if we can get it loaded on old trusty Betty here. I don't know how this trailer's still surviving. Here, this trailer. Yeah. 80-day one? Alright. She's loaded and strapped. Let's get home and get this dropped. We'll drop this trailer. And then I'm gonna grab the other trailer. Then we gotta go to Lowe's. Trailer one dropped off. Going to trailer two hooked up. Gonna go get the big list of stuff from Lowe's. Put these old axles to the test. That was a lot of plywood Luckily, that young man that helped me out, he's getting married in a few days, and he's always here as a loader, and an amazing young man. I got a chance to talk to him. Of course, the fun part is they're redoing the parking lot here, so we get to try and figure out what we're gonna do here. I don't know. It's same day, just a new shirt, because, well, y'all seen the last part of this video. That thing was pretty nasty. But I heard this ruckus going on over here by the sawmill, and you'll never guess. Well, you probably will, because you already knew it was gonna happen. But my sawmill got taken over, guys. Like, can you believe it? People just show up and take over the mill. And look, all I gotta do is cold snack, so.
Hey, it's his fault, Nana, that I gotta own one of these.
I just apologized to her when I went up to the house and said, I'm sorry for the financial hardships you're about to go through.
This is awesome.
We got Jake supervising. We got Dale on there. I keep trying to tell them if they raise those little things higher than the log, it flips right over, but they want to be strong and do it the hard way.
Didn't raise it enough. It'll be alright.
You got to be higher than the top of the log, and then they roll like butter. I'll get them learnt one of these days.
Yeah. We're about ready to make some 2x6s now.
I mean, at least he pays well, y'all. Look, I'll sponsor him while I watch him work.
Haha, yes!
Here's the best part, y'all.
She grew up on a farm that lives in the city. She was quite tall, she wouldn't call her pretty. Since she was a child, she knew where she was going. Never walked away 'cause she knew what she was doing. Knew what she was doing. Had a sweet dream when just a little girl. One by one, yeah, she cleaned up this world. Never had a day filled with peanut butter. No. When the world's on fire, she'll be dancing to the thunder, dancing to the thunder. Since she was a child, she knew where she was going. Never walked away 'cause she knew what she was doing. Knew what she was doing.
All right, well, here comes the real fun. We got to do a blade change. I've noticed that it started getting stringy on the outcut. And if I've learned anything is when it starts getting stringy, change your blade. Because if not, then they go ping! And then you can't resharpen them, so. Well, that wasn't so hard. Had a whole lot more fun than you should working, but we're not mad at it.
No, way more fun than work.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We ended up with 6 more, which I think's gonna be enough. But the good thing is, if it's not, we still have some hefty logs that we've already ice-pied. And we can easily jump on it tomorrow while everyone's working on something else.
Yeah.
So.
And mill out 3 more or 4 more.
Yeah, we can. There's logs and we have the mill. So somebody takes a lunch break and we come over and mill. What a shame.
Darn it.
Dang, just twist our. Ow, keep twisting. Okay, we'll do it. We'll do it. Gee.
Well, good morning. It is Saturday morning, the first day of our big build. Hold on. Before we leave for Tennessee, I've been up since 4 a.m. I've got sourdough crackers going. Oh. And have a huge pot of breakfast scramble with peppers, onions, bacon, sausage, eggs, zucchini. You know how I roll. So I don't know if everyone's up yet, but we're gonna see. Come on out, baby. You think they heard? One more time. Breakfast! Good morning!
I want you to know, out of fairness to nobody else has had coffee but her and I. Hold on. You guys fogged up. So she's doing this to everybody, coming to help us with no coffee. But
They gave my smiling face. I mean, I'm ready to go. I've been food processing
she's been wanting to use that thing
preserving
legitimately for a while, so.
well, I mean, I could use it for when it's just you and I, but that's kind of goofy when you're sitting right next to me. We just need this rain to stop.
Yeah, it's trying to do this little drizzle deal out here, and it's not happy about it.
No, but we did morning harvest, and you know, there's a reason for everything, right? I've got tomato green all over me, but blight hit my garden so hard this year. I don't even know how much more crop I would have gotten, so since we're going away,
Yeah.
it is what it is, right?
It is what it is.
Yeah, but all right, well, I gotta check my next batch of sourdough crackers, but it's a big weekend, guys.
Yeah.
We have
Super
so much
excited.
to do.
You guys have seen yesterday, I mean, we already started it, right? We got on the mill, so now it's just everybody else that's planning on showing up, getting some breakfast, and I guess set up some awnings so that we can have tools, power tools, in the dry.
Yeah.
All right, we'll get it.
Bye. We are ready to raise the wall.
Ready? Uh-oh, hold on. Are you good? Okay.
This here,
Go ahead.
yeah.
Okay.
Actually, you can be my camera person.
Just flush it up with.
Yeah, I'm gonna flush it up out
And
here.
then we'll
Watch that
throw
level
a
a minute, and then
brace on it.
we'll put a brace because we're gonna fight both ways.
I'm gonna make a quick set of stairs out
Till
of
we,
these 2x6s just to give us something to climb up to and from. They're not gonna be code, but we've got a porch that's gonna go
We
up.
are the code.
Yeah, that's what Jason
Or codes.
was telling us.
Oh, come on.
I'll hold it. What do you need us to do? I'll hold it. Tell me what you need. Out.
All right.
What? Out? Yeah. Say when. When.
I'm doing test pieces out of scraps because I don't math too well.
Go right there. Just make it. Hey, would you give me a couple cards, nails, please?
That one ain't crooked.
Hey. You were gonna say that? Oh. There in the land of sparkle sockets.
Give Dale that extra half an acre.
Oh, we're trying to hold the hoses in.
Ah! Nothing. Did it again.
And I got a few more on the tree, a couple more on the tree.
Much better. Temporary stairs are complete.
Woo!
She don't like small talk or crowded sidewalk. She don't like small talk. She don't like to say a lot, but she don't mind restful, sacred mornings, listening to the rain. She don't like big crowds or dreary storm clouds. She don't like big crowds. She's just a country mouse, but she don't mind listening to my shaky voice chiming out melodies. A glass of wine by the fireplace, trading memories. She don't like the rat racer, the numbing fast pace of the city's mad chase, smiley plastic face, but she don't mind filling blank pages with perfect poetry. She don't like shiny people or getting into deep with phony deadbeats, just pounding the concrete. But she don't mind sitting in a cafe window, watching the world go by. She don't mind lifting up her soothing voice for a midnight lullaby. Don't like small talk or muddled dark thoughts. She don't like small talk or racing against the clock. But she don't mind restful sacred mornings, listening to the rain.
We were getting there, guys. We've got Keith working on our little outrigger deals so we can hang a rafter to the outside and have our 12-inch overhang. But I think we've only got 2 more maybe down here to get up. What do you think, Eric?
I think it looks good, man. I'm ready to put some roof sheathing on. Keep going. There we go. You got it yet, Jason?
I got a hold of it, yeah. All right, there we go, guys. All right, time for a little break. Time to get water.
Up we go! Come on for a ride, folks! Set you up where you can get a bird's eye view here.
Yes. I probably could do a little more trimming over there, but got those branches out of the way.
Live from your heart, babe. Don't hide in fear. Beware of fool's gold, smoke and mirrors. Watch out for tricksters, the wolves in sheep's clothes, the rogue chameleons, restless ghosts. So take care of yourself and love fearlessly, and keep yourself in good company. Carnival barkers and old circus clowns, they summon dark forces, pull you underground. So beware, beware, babe, the mighty dollar's king. Its lies are everywhere, babe, behind everything. So take care of yourself and live gratefully, and keep yourself in good company, and keep yourself in good company.
There we are, guys. Drip edge and tar paper installed. Alright, we're done. We're going home. Oh wait, I'm already home. Crap, we're not done either. Okay. Well, now for metal. Ready for metal?
Do it.
Alright guys, well, we're back up on the roof. It's time to get serious. Here it comes. We're getting the metals. Alright, let's get her did.
Keep yourself in good company. Take care of yourself. Love fearlessly. Keep yourself in good company. Keep yourself in.
How's that edge going?
Oh, it's just peachy. I'd pull out tape measure so I could make sure, because you know, I may or may not have got a little wild on the other end. The heat might have my automatic calibration turned off right now. Holy gamoles. How was it?
Ain't no rest for the wicked.
You know what's real good? Is that it's done, y'all. Look at this thing.
Goodness.
All screwed in, nice and tight. So
Toit, like a toiga.
it will be all protected and done the way it got done what we wanted to get done for this. And guys, I can't explain to you how grateful we are for this community and these friends that they're family to us. They're not even friends anymore. It's their family. And when they get to come over, it's like, it's amazing. And y'all know we don't ask for a lot of help, hardly ever at all, because we're out helping everybody else. And when they said, hey, we're coming, whether you want us to or not, we're gonna do this stuff, and they didn't disappoint at all. Mama kept them fed well, we kept them watered well, and we got a lot of work done in 2 days.